Hello friends, my name is Shivam. In this video, I will explain my OEP work for Python for data science. I have implemented web scraper for getting the information of GTU circulars. For web scraping, I have used Beautiful Soup. So let's see the website which we are going to scrap in Python. So I am typing GTU space circular and opening the first link. So as you can see, here is the date and this is the title of the circular. And if I click on this, I will redirect to the PDF of the particular circular. So we have title, date and link. Okay. So if we want to see the source code of this page, then we simply can right click and then we can tap on view page source. Okay, so this is the source code of the page, and if we want to find this line, we can simply copy this, and here we can find control F and we can paste the text here. So as you can see, this is the same text which we have seen over here. Okay, option selection for student after the declaration of merit based progression. Okay, and here is the progression. Okay, so basically this is same. Okay, so for now we are moving to the code. So here I have imported requests. Requests are used for sending the HTTP protocol. If you are into the computers, you will know that HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And here I have used from BS4 import Beautiful Soup, which is the Python library for getting the HTML code from any website. And here I have passed the URL of the website. It is same URL which we can see here. Okay, so if I run this code, mm, this is what I am getting, and this is simply unreadable. So we have to process this. To process this, I have created an object, and I have used beautiful soup method, and I have passed parameters HTML content and HTML parser. Then I have simply typed print soup.prettify. Now we can easily read the code. Okay, so we will move forward. So now we want to get the title of the circular. So this is the title of the circular, and it is enclosed between h3 tag. H3 tag is closing, and here the h3 tag is opening. So we can simply type for loop for this. For I in soup dot find all h3 and print I dot get underscore txt. Okay, so we can simply get the titles. Okay, so this is the same option selection. Okay, so we got the title. Now we want to get the date. Okay, for getting the date we have to find the date. So this is the date, if you can see, and it is enclosed between span. Okay, span here is opening, and here the span is closing. Okay, so if I write span here and execute the cell, then I can simply see the dates. This is the dates, but we are getting two dates, okay, and the title is perfect, but we are getting two dates, okay. So let's understand why we are getting two dates. So our date is in span, okay. So span has this much amount of text, okay, and this whole span opening and closing tag are in another span. So this is the nested one, okay. So this span contains the same text what this span contains. So this is executed two times. So we are getting the date two times, okay. So to remove this extra date, we can modify our for loop. So here I have written x equal to 1, and this is the same for loop. Here I have written span, okay, and here I have written the simple if statement. If x is not equal to 2, then print I dot get text and increment the value by 1. Else x equal to 0 and print blank line and then print the dash dash dash, basically a line. So we are getting the date and then we are getting the title of the circular. Now what is remaining is the link. If we click on this link, we will be redirected to the PDF, okay. So to get that link, we can use find all A, because the links are enclosed between A and slash A, okay. So here is the A href, then the link, okay. So we want to get this link, so we write this is the simple for loop again. I have provided link instead of I, which is fine, okay. Find all A, okay. For now ignore this, and then I have printed the link dot get href, okay. Href means the link, okay. And if I remove this statement and run this again, you can simply see the amount of links we were getting is increased, okay. So this is because the page has so much links, like home is also a link. If we click on the home, we will be redirected to somewhere else. If we click on about GTU circular, everything is link here. So how we can get the top 5 or top 8 or top 10 circular link? For doing that, we can use slicing. We are slicing from 116 to 124, okay. So we will get the lines from 117 to 124, okay. So you will ask how I got this number. So I have simply copied these links and pasted in a simple text editor, and I got the line number. Or you can use the line number online service or any website for getting the exact line number what you want to get. If I want this link, I don't want to count the position of this link. So I hope you are getting my point. If I run this code, then I can simply get the links which are required for my code, okay. So this is the first circular link. This is for second circular, Okay, this is for third circular and this is for fourth. Okay, so this is how we can get the link from the website. If you want, you can use slicing over here to get the top 5 or top 8 or top 10, whatever you want. I am giving here 25 and again running the code. So my code will run for 25 lines. Okay, you can write whatever you want, and then you can see the respective link over here. Okay, so this is the code I have written for my OEP work in Python for data science. I want to thank my professor for being really helpful. Thank you, Ami ma'am.